Hello everyone. What I have now is a rather interesting looking Russwin. I got it from my buddy Lockcracker over on the UK Lock Sport forum. We're going to see what's inside this thing. He says it's pinned up rather interestingly. There we go. Alright, let's get it gutted and take a look at what's inside. Okay, seems to be a flathead screw holding that in place. There we go. I do not have the key, so I'm going to try to be careful not to lock it back up. Okay, this is interesting. Never seen one come apart quite like this. Alright, more screws. How do I keep that from turning? I know what I'll do. Maybe the driver pins will stop it. Ooh. These screws are so boogered up I can't get them out. Let's see if this little screwdriver I got from Black Dolphin 90 will work. If I'd have known it was going to be all this, I would have taken it down this far at least already. Well, we got one cracked. Okay. Slowly but surely we'll turn it out like this. There we go. All right. Key pin 1. Okay. I don't know if this is common in Russwin locks, as I don't deal with them very often, but I've never seen one like this. Alright, rest of the core seems normal. It's very interesting. Alright, starting from the front, I'm expecting all standard drivers. More wafers in this thing than a box of crackers. This has got to be the oddest pinning I've seen in a long time. And it just went everywhere. Give me one moment, I'll try to find that. I think the spring went that way and the pin went this way. seeing it. There it is. There's the pin. I'll just pull another spring out of my box here in a minute when I put it together. I don't think I'll ever find that spring. Alright, definitely some strangeness here. Alright, I'll let y'all get a look at this. There's the ball bearings at the very bottom here. Pins and wafers. Drivers up top. This has got to be the most strangely pinned lock I don't even know what to say about this. It's just strange. Let's see. Come on, gravity. There we go. Oh. Yeah, very strange, indeed. Anyway, that was my weird Russwin. Thank you, Lockcracker, for sending me this very strange lock. And everybody, thank you for watching. Wow, I think I'm going to leave out all these wafers when I put this back together. Just go with the ball bearings, the key pins, and the drivers. It's just a very strange lock. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like. If you haven't already, subscribe. I'm only 2 away from 200. Nah, you guys have a good day. Have a Merry Christmas. Goodbye.